Any mildly educated preteen can create a PowerPoint presentation. Adding a text box, a few images, or a graphic here and there can be done by almost anyone with a computer. The question isn't, can you create a presentation? The question you should be asking yourself is my presentation designed effectively at convincing my audience to get us to our goal ahead of the competition? When it comes to your business, you always want the best of everything. Why should presentations be any different? You may know how to drive a car, but that doesn't qualify you to be a NASCAR, does it? Anyone can drive a car. Likewise, anyone with a computer can make a PowerPoint. Doing it professionally, on the other hand, is a different matter. There are some things that are best left in the hands of professionals. PowerPoint design is absolutely one of them. Video Cadaver Prestige is a complete presentation graphics package. It gives you everything you need to produce a professional-looking presentation and organize the slides in a professional way. We have included the important elements that a winning pitch should have, so you may follow the guideline and stay ahead of the competition and wow your investors with a clean, modern, creative pitch deck PowerPoint. This PowerPoint slide is built based on professional pitch deck around the world and based on Forbes' guide to build professional presentation slides. This is the same formula that has helped startup founders raise millions. Inside this package, you will get 10 PowerPoint design template theme with 2 different colors. Total, you will get 600 slides. Claim your discounted copy today. The price will increase every single copy sold. Secure your special price now.